Welcome back, people. You know, this is Open Vision Bible channel where you get the latest of what is happening in Jamaica. So stay tuned, guys. As you can see, this is Santa Cruz, and this is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. As you can see, the town is plunging a lot of mud. So a lot of damage has been taking place. As you can see, supermarket closed due to the whole heap of debris that is on the road. You can see the place is in a mess. Please remember to subscribe and like for more, as I will keep you updated of the latest of what is happening throughout the island. I will keep you posted, guys, but you have to subscribe so you can get the latest of what is taking place. So as you can see, this is mother's is damaged, and behind the whole town it's plunging to rubbles, mud, and a lot of been taking place. So please remember to subscribe so I can keep you posted and updated of what is taking place during these dangerous times. No.